Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add your first product in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log in to your dashboard on Shopify. Next, click Products on the left menu. Then click Add Product button at the top right. Now, enter your product title and description to explain what you're selling. And after that, upload product images so customers can clearly see your item. Next, set the price, inventory quantity, and shipping details for your product. You can also add product variants like size or color if needed. And once everything is complete, click Save to add the product to your store. And that's it. That's how you add your first product in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.